This pistol began as the model 1910 in 25 ACP, and then Mauser redesigned it for 32 auto. One of their classic old school pocket pistols. It is a simple straight blowback mechanism. There's really not a whole lot going on mechanically with this pistol that we can see in the slow motion. And you'll see the slide comes back. The slide actually stops rather abruptly when it hits the back of the receiver. Empty case ejects, new cartridge gets fed in, and you're ready to fire again. Let's slow this one down a little bit more. And there you go. Kind of looks remarkable that it actually works every time. There's very little space between the case ejecting and the new cartridge feeding. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tune back into ForgottenWeapons.com for more neat slow motion.